Bullish Kusama cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $108.48 and $236.24 by 2030. Market examiners accept KSM could reach $108.48 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2022 is $19.29. Kusama presentation. Polkadot's variant representing things to come. Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits engineers to try different things with new elements and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have each of similar updates as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates changes or increments to the codebase, conventions, and administration systems. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building pack created by Equality Innovations. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be recognized and fixed before they cause significant interruptions on Polkadot. Furthermore, on the grounds that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, any overhauls made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What makes Kusama extraordinary? Kusama is intended for designers who need to send off aggressive ventures with a quick advancing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama special is its emphasis on giving engineers the apparatuses they need to succeed. This incorporates highlights, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, shrewd agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain connections. Furthermore, Kusama likewise has areas of strength for fans and engineers who are committed to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the confirmation of work agreement instrument, which is energy escalated, Kusama utilizes a selected proof-of-stake framework. This permits it to be more effective and adaptable than other blockchains. One of the special highlights of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be overhauled without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new highlights and updates. Also, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for engineers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is fueled by dApps, which are the local money of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as spots have been tried on the mainnet. Furthermore, specs give clients admittance to Polkadot's elements, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. By and large, Kusama gives a one-of-a-kind open door to designers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different elements in a free from even a hint of harm climate. Kusama specialized investigation. The Kusama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to fabricate and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot transfer chain innovation and utilizations parachains for adaptability. What's more, it likewise utilizes parachains for versatility. These three parts make Kusama perhaps of the most impressive stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, versatility and interoperability, Kusama has been planned from the beginning to address these difficulties. The task raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The merchant's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kusama's effective ICO shows a colossal interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kusama blockchain. With its imaginative plan, Kusama is strategically set up to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the well-known digital currency, Polkadot. The Kusama coin is special in that it offers a way for clients to try out novel thoughts and undertakings on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the soundness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kusama coin has seen a huge flood in force starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers consider the task and its true capacity. Kusama current cost. Kusama is as of now worth $24.11 USD. KSM has moved 3.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,429,208. Kusama is at present positioned 121 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $201,661,025 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Kusama to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Kusama market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Kusama Value Expectation 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The KSM cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $36.16. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $33.75 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $28.93. Kusama Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $60.27. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the KSM's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $48.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $53.03. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $84.37 and KSM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $77.14 and a low of $72.32 in 2024. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Kusama effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $108.48, with a base cost of $96.43 and a typical cost of $101.25. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $125.35 by 2026, with a base cost of $120.53 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, KSM has a greatest value worth of $132.59. Kusama Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $149.46. On the off chance that KSM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $156.69. Neglecting to accumulate the help KSM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $144.64. Kusama Value Expectation 2028. While KSM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $168.70.